salt shape in dry condition. Another I am saying that salt shape in humid condition. Salt crystal in the dry condition and the salt crystal shape in the what? Humid condition. कभी आपने चीनी, सुगर, सॉल्ट को आप लोगों ने देखा है कैसा दिखता है वो? It is in a round or it is in a irregular shape. Yes. So it is in a known as what? Crystal shape. So the dried condition में क्या होता है? Salt is crystal shape. And जब crystal shape में होगा, so another I said that another salt, ये भी इसका क्या होगा अपना एक shape है. Another salt, it has also what a kind of shape. इससे हमें क्या हुआ? What we have been able to see, the crystal shape causes what? Some vacuum. Yes or no? These are which area? Vacuum area. जहां पर कुछ भी नहीं है. So the dry salt in crystal shape, dry salt will have large vacuum area. Yes, large vacuum area. इसकी वजह से क्या हो जाएगा? It will take more volumetric region. Yes or no? ये region कितना लेगा? बहुत ज्यादा लेगा. So therefore, taking more volumetric region. लेकिन जैसे ही इसे पानी मिलता है, when it get humid condition, तो क्या हो जाता है इसका क्रिस्टल से? यस, ब्रेक. और ये सब आपस में क्या हो जाते हैं? दे कम इनटू दिस स्मॉलर, दे कम इनटू व्हाट इज दिस मच ऑफ ए स्मॉलर वॉल्यूम. ये पूरा टूटकर अब कितने में आ गया? स्मॉल वॉल्यूम. सो इन ह्यूमिड कंडीशन में क्या हुआ? क्रिस्टल शेप broken and taken less volume. So what happened? Suppose this is in a rock. In the rock there is a lots of porosity is there. What is there? Porosity is there. और इस रॉक में सॉल्ट है. इस रॉक में क्या है? सॉल्ट. तो इन दिस porous area, what is this? Salts are there. In dry condition, they will take the more volume. And in wet condition or in dry condition, and in wet condition they will, what is now? Contract. And in dry condition, expand. Wet condition, contract. So due to this porous area started, what is now? Breaking. So I said that dry condition, expansion, and in wet condition, contraction. such regular phenomena help in breaking into particles of rock, and that is known as again disintegration of particles of rock. Dry condition expansion, wet condition contraction, that finally help in what? Breaking the rock into particles of rock. So ये phenomena कहाँ पे होगा ज़्यादा? If we'll go, I said that in the Gujarat region, Rajasthan region, in which the rock having what? More salt. Rock having more salt. So there you can be able to see salt crystal will cause or salt crystal growth, this phenomena. So it is causing what? Physical weathering, and then ये rock टूट कर वहीं पर रहेगा. So we have seen major block disintegration, another we have seen granular disintegration, then we have seen, I said, exfoliation, and after that we have seen, after exfoliation, yes, ice crystal growth or frost wedging, then we have seen sampling, then we have seen salt crystal growth. These are physical weathering. So you see, and what is the significance of it? Finally it helps in the सारे process हैं, it helps in the formation of soil. Understood it? Clear? समझ में आ रहा है? कितने figures आप डाल सकते हैं? Put as much you can imagine. Next point, if I say chemical weathering.